court that you are guilty as charged. You shall serve a term of not less than 28 years in the federal penitentiary. Sentenced to 28 years for a murder he never committed. Only two things could help him escape: a lot of money and Charles Bronson.
I've been working at tomorrow. I mean, I have to be convincing that I've never been raped.
Your grandson will try to escape. It's up to you to stop him.
This is the story of one man fighting against impossible odds.
They beat up my best friend and my partner.
What the hell are you doing? What are you doing? Let him go!
They were waiting for us. Somebody told them. And I think you told them.
He's brutal. He's Bronson.
1,000.
And he's got 10 seconds to pull off the world's most impossible escape. Charles Bronson in Breakout.
Hi guys, this is a midweek special video. It's just one title, it's an unboxing, and it is of this film, Breakout with Charles Bronson. This is the German Blu-ray from Sony, released a couple of years ago on Blu-ray. So this is going to be a comparison to this version. So let's unbox this and see if it's any good. Let's have a look. Nothing inside. Right, here it is. Here's the English version. It's by Indicator, which is like an arrow, Twilight Time sort of label. They've done the Stone Killer, and this is Breakout in its English language comparison to the German version there. Identical packaging. Look at the back of it. Sentenced to 28 years in prison. Limited edition Blu-ray special features. Feel free to pause this as it's actually in focus for a change. The only special feature on the German Blu-ray is a trailer that I've shown you at the start of this video, and we should probably take this video down now because it's copyrighted. This has an audio commentary by Paul Talbot, making of Death Wish films. Filming Breakout, 6 minutes. A 6-minute report made by French television. Interviews with Charles Bronson. Any bonus features with interviews with Charles Bronson are gold dust. So even though it might be 6 minutes, it's gold dust because it's got an interview with Charles Bronson. It's got the Super 8 version original cut down home cinema presentation. I've never seen a Super 8 version, so we'll have to wait and see what that is. Original theatrical trailer, TV spots, radio spots, images, gallery. Yeah, that's the same as German. New and improved trailer. Limited edition 32-page booklet. UK premiere on Blu-ray, limited to 3,000 copies. Columbia TriStar. 1975. 97 minutes. 2.39. English language. 15 certificate. Multi-region. So guys in America, this should play perfect in your players. As the German version is region locked to B, so that will not play in America. This one will play in America. So let me just break the seal on this. Back in a minute. There you go. I've taken the seal off. Now, I have not seen what's inside this, so it's all going together. There's the disc. Indicator colours along the edge. Powerhouse Films, Columbia TriStar, Region 3, 15 certificate. Take the disc out. This has alternative artwork. Let's have a look. It has the artwork with the indicator logo at the top. Turn it round, and it has the artwork without the indicator logo. I'm going to put it with the indicator logo because I want respect to the makers. Here is the booklet from Breakout, and it's quite a thick book. There he is there, Charlie. Breakout cast and crew. Making of Breakout. Loads of writing. Pictures. More writing. Pictures. Real Breakout. If you want to read it, you'll have to get the Blu-ray yourself. Critical response, the old Charlie there. That's the book. Jill Island, Charlie's wife, she starred in many of his films. That is, I haven't watched it yet, so I can't tell you what it's like. But I've been heard it's better than the German version, as indicators do a good job in their films. Now, I just wish someone had balls enough to release Telephone or St. Ives on Blu-ray. St. Telephone is a MGM film, so it should be out on Twilight Time or Indicator. And St. Ives is a Warner Bros. Film, so it should be out. Why not? I can't wait to the next Bronson release of Cold Sweat, which is coming out on Blu-ray from Kino in the next couple of months. Can't wait for that. I wonder if it'll be the same quality as the UK DVD by Cinema Club back in the day, as that was a crystal clean widescreen. As you know, a lot of bootleg DVDs are about of that film that's a full screen crap. But if you want a full screen, if you want a widescreen uncut version of Cold Sweat, check out the Cinema Club DVD from about 2000, 2003. After that, there have been bootlegs. Anyway, I'm rambling on. This is just a short video showing you my Breakout by Indicator. Great company. They put out a few Bronson films and some other films as well. Check them out. And stay blue, stay safe. And I think I'll be doing a new Bronson complete video, as it's over 2 years since I've done the last one. And I've got many new releases. So stay tuned for that. That might be in the future, as I have a 100% Charles Bronson film library complete from DVD, Blu-ray, VHS. Some films are only available on VHS of Bronson. So until then, stay blue, stay safe guys. Bye.